Hello, this is Suhana. I'm back again with the recipe of butter naan. So let's quickly check the ingredients and the procedure. Let's go. Now, here are the ingredients. We have 2 cups of flour, plain flour, which is maida, and we have half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of sugar powder, and 2 tablespoon of curd, plain curd, 2 tablespoon of oil, and some butter, and this is kalonji, we call it kalonji, and some fresh coriander chopped, and also the warm water. These are the ingredients. Let's mix the ingredients quickly. For the dough, I'm adding 2 cups of maida, which is plain flour, and here we goes 1 teaspoon of half teaspoon of baking soda. After baking soda, it's baking powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of powdered sugar, and then some 2 tablespoon of oil. Drizzle some oil, and my hands are clean and washed, so let's mix it nicely. So once you mixed it properly, we'll mix curd as well. Okay, mix gently. After mixing it, add warm water slowly and then knead it. It should be slightly warm water. So dough has to be look like this. So once you're done with it, tuck the dough nicely. Add some butter, and then let it rest for 1 hour. Minimum 1 hour you need to rest. If you want, you can rest for 2 hours also, but minimum 1 hour you need to rest. So once it is done, we'll start the procedure. Okay, now we have completed 1 hour of soaking this atta. Let's see how is it. Yeah, it is fluffy, very soft. So as there is air in this dough, we need to knead it for for about 2 minutes. That's it. It's very soft, very smooth. That's it. Once you have kneaded well, now let's make some naan. So let's take a small ball size round. Make roundels until we make this sizes. Make sure that you switch on your stove. Take only steel pan. Don't take non-stick because naan won't stick on the steel pan. Make on a high flame. So let's quickly start the making rotis. I like to make oval shape. So it's up to you, whatever shape you want, you can make it. You don't need extra flour. Without flour only, make sure you make this oval size naan. Not so thin and not so thick. Now add some kalonji on top and sprinkle some coriander on top. Okay, so after this, make it. Okay, so now there's a trick. You need to add some water from in the back side. Water in the back, and as I can see, my tawa is hot. Make sure that you add it. It's extremely hot. It needs to get stick to the bottom. If it won't, just press slightly. So let's see. You can see the bubbles, right? Yeah. As you can see, it is nicely cooked. You need to flip it over and make sure you see nice bubbles. Turn nicely wherever you want naan to be cooked properly. Yeah. You see a nice naan now, right? Take it, put it on here, and then garnish with the butter. So here it is. Butter naan is ready. Yummy soft butter naan. I'll make some curry now and I'll eat with this butter naan, and you can wait for the review. So butter naan is ready. So here is my soft fluffy butter naan. I'm gonna taste it and give you the review. I have some mutton curry, the simple mutton curry where bachelors can also prepare. I'll show the video next time. So let me just taste it with this one. So yum. Very good, very nice. I'm really loving it. I can't stop eating. Okay. So please try at home. This butter naan is really good. Please try at home and let me know how is it. If you like my recipe of butter naan, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. It's Suhana's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.